What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. Basically just coming on here right now. Just let you guys know what my plan is for this coming week. I try to keep you guys updated as much as possible. Currently right now, 33.13. Gain from last Friday, 121. So we did go up. And you can kind of see what I did for the daily return. Grove went up $40. I did Nomad, still flattening out, and I only mentioned those two because those are my main priority right now. I need them to flip, you feel me? So, Kinross Gold, they up $1, $2 for me, not too bad. And you can see the rest of it. One thing I do want to point out, I already put it up. Ideanomics is reporting its fourth quarter. I'm going to say details because it's talking about revenue, market cap, all that good stuff. I've been seeing a few articles saying that they came up short or whatever. And even if it's true, it is what it is. But they have a conference meeting on the 28th, which is Tuesday, as you see right there at 4:30. I'm going to try to somehow, some way, try to see what that call about and see if I can click the link and sit in on it and see what they have to say about, the future of the company. Because at the end of the day, when you guys invest into something, know what you're getting into. Know what you're getting into. And I'm laughing because I really hope I can make that meeting time. And then that is the one way you can tap in with, Ideanomics, see what's going on, see what thoughts they have in regards to their quarter being lower than they expected. Go figure. Another thing, too, is I want to point this out. So one thing I want to mention is, Google and how they break down their actual graph for the stock. I don't know if you guys noticed, but for Grove might be headed in the right direction. So we just got to be patient when it comes to Grove. And that's what I've been trying to do, be patient. Even with Ideanomics, trying to be patient with them, trying to see. I know y'all can do it. That's all I'm saying. I know y'all can do it, but just hanging in there. So Grove got the 5-day going up, and then they got their last Friday going up. So they closed out at 42 cents, and then they jumped up to 43, went back down to 42. They had a high on Friday at 44. So potentially, you guys, Grove is still about to climb. I'm gonna tell you now, don't miss the wave. But I'm not a financial advisor. I gotta always mention that. And one more thing I wanted to mention was somebody brought to my attention that it was like, hey, I found the dates for, a 52-week high, 52-week low. And let me back out of it real quick so I can show you guys how I got to it. So say if I'm rocking out with water drop, right? Everybody know I got water drop as a start. I can type in water drop, start 52-week high date. I put that in on Google. And they was like, yeah, I went to CNBC and it tells you the date. So I went to it and I was checking it out. And I was telling the person that I was having this conversation with, I was like, hey, take this with a grain of salt. Don't think just because this is what they predicted to be right. And once again, it goes back to, okay, even though it says the 52-week high is whatever it is on Google, whatever it is on Webull, whatever it is on any other application, just understand that those are predictions. However, I want to let you guys know that was just the date that they guessed the 52-week high. So they came up with this idea. Hey, today is March 26th. Okay, 2023, I predict this stock to be a 52-week high of $3. That's all it's saying. Not when it's going to happen. So you got, 52-week high date. It was at 12/29. So December of last year is when they predicted the 52-week high to be 336, if that makes sense. And then so on. So the 52-week low date is at 10/17. So they predicted at 10/17 of 2022, that's what it's gonna be. That's what I get from it. And the only reason I got that from is because I was looking at other stocks when he brought it up. One of the stocks had a more recent date, and he was like, "Hey, they just said the 52-week high was gonna happen around this time," and I think, let me see what it was. Was it Ideanomics? Let's do Ideanomics real quick. I can't spell. 52 week date. And it popped up. Let's see what they have to say. So they have 313, it was fairly recent, 2023. So they estimated the 52 week low more recent than the 52 week high. They estimated that for last year. So I don't understand how they do that, but they do. I just want to clarify that, hey, that's not the date that it's supposed to happen. That's the date they came up with the thought of it happening. I hope I didn't really confuse nobody by saying that. But with that being said, that is that. And in regards to the coming week, I told y'all I've been trying to just chill out, take my time, let my portfolio build, and kind of go from there. Still got these guys. They're still climbing. Check them out, please, guys. Please check them out. I have not invested, but check them out. I'm telling you. Like I said, somebody in the Discord put me on. And if I would have invested when they told me to, hey, I could have been up there. They just, I'm trying to get right. I'm trying to, get my funds together. But what else? I see Microvision trying to slide. Yeah, they done went up. If you're gonna try these guys out, wait for that drop and get right. But yeah, that's all I got for you today. The week is coming. So with that being said, man, it's all about patience. That's what I'm working with this week, y'all. I ain't gonna need to lie to you. Patience. So with that being said, man, this is your boy Corey T. Thank you for sliding through. And if y'all need me to hit on anything else, let me know. Leave it down in the comment section. I do just come and update you guys. And at the same time, I do look at the comments. I read the comments. Let your boy know, man. I'm here for y'all. So with that being said, y'all hold it down. Yes, sir.